Yep, it's chilly. It's quiet. Came out to my parents. Got the new place. Cut some wood. Take a walk over there in a minute. But on the way, had the old man help me load this. Some 6-inch tongue and groove. Got a bead board on one side, and maybe doing a wall in the basement. But I figure we'll do a cold start while we're here. It's a little chilly. It's not that cold. It's cold, but the truck's not that cold. I dropped a little bit. Not even a pump. Put some new shocks on it the other day. That's the ones in the back. That's some Renault Magnums. But anyway, when I go cutting wood, a few things I bring. Got some chain, because you never know. And a couple of my saws, a couple of my work saws. A Dolmar 540. It's one of the only saws I've bought new. A 16-inch, 3/8 placeable tip, Oregon. It had 325. I wasn't crazy about it, so put that on. And if you're a saw guy, this is definitely one to have. 10mm 044, the real deal. You know it's 10mm because the fins on the cylinder head are slanted. I think. Can't really remember it. That, and you can check the serial number. I'm not gonna take this off. It's a pain, but it's got a 25 on there. Saw runs fantastic, and it's, as you can see, it's had an easy life. Even came with the original case. Love this saw. And I got a few things in here, you know, some fuel, hatchet, got the axe, got some tools in there, a couple of felon wedges, got your mix, bar oil. And this is my dad's truck. It's got the Downeaster insert in there. Works real well. This truck's in great shape. That's don't worry about that. 96 350 4L80E. It's just a great truck. And as for what we cut, nothing really worth bragging about, but killed an hour. That's a neighbor's tree, so we just cut it back a bit so we can get the truck back here. And I cut it. I'm probably cut it further, but for now, why fight with it? I'll take that pine, burn that in the fire pit, cut that up, and then came over here. This pine was really dead. That's some of the orange looking wood on the end. That's that tree. And then there was a nice oak, white oak, straight right there. That had broke at the top. So we cut that down. You can see right where it broke at the top right there. Basically broke in half. And I just got a couple little ones here and there. About an hour. Little fun time with the saws, you know. Fresh air. He's got a nice spot out here. I like it. But some more trees we gotta cut down. Gotta rope them. I'll be doing that soon. Hopefully before the snow flies. And then he's got a couple over here that we'll have a friend of the family who's a climber take care of. Not gonna mess with those. Yeah, it's a chilly day, but got some work done. Gotta polyurethane those boards. Strap those saws, obviously. Don't want to lose $1,500 worth of saws. Strap them up there. It'll be good. Good to go. But yeah, getting chilly. I'm gonna load up and hit the road and we'll have some supper, I think. There we go. Some saws and some pine. 80s Chevy and 90s Chevy, and that was about as good as it got right there. They didn't get much better, I don't think. That's just a nice truck. So is this. They both run good. Yeah, that's his other truck. There you go.